Hakasi Plie juga tayo la Plie ba ya ka office treikam jong ka State Education Commission kabandon hi hapo ka office treikam jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kata ka embos Shillong bat hakani hi kasngi ka commission kala syong sundan ya ka jingelang ka kong ka jongka yakani ka office treikam jong ka State Education Commission kabandon hi hapo jong ka office treikam jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kata ka embos Shillong la Plie do Myntri Rangbah ka jala Inaugurated ke sangma rengkat ka jingedan lang Myntri ka Puli Puthi urakam sangma yidukhat jong ka commission bat kiwe yakani ka commission on clear day Professor SM Sungo Department Katnat Education jong ka North Eastern Hill University kuntup ya arngut kinong aibot kata Professor David Reeds Imli advisor academic bat utoni TC Marak advisor school sector reforms Katbau Secretary Katnat Puli Puthi ke Jela u Ambrose CH Marak unlong member secretary jong ka commission bat kendan ru khat arngut kidukhat hakani ka commission u Inaugurated ke sangma haba ajing tren ulong ba ka State Education Commission kan kemi bnia aha ka bede ba ka jing penwandur bat jing penkela thamai ya ka Puli Puthi ka Jela bat ban sim kiaru ya kiwe pat kibenta kibede bat ka jing aha ka Puli Puthi.
And the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed, and I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way, and just after the inaugural meeting they will be sitting for the first official meeting. And I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.
What is the immediate task and task to them, sir?
So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers.